this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Sweetest Christmas Suite. All right, here is my candy cane Christmas card, bling to the extreme. I used the pearlescent paper and the glitter paper. The glitter paper is from the suite. So the suite includes the glitter paper, which is white and red, the DSP, seasonal sequins, you've got red and green ribbon, and then you've got the DSP. The dies cut out the candy canes. You can see that I used some cut out candy canes there. And I've also used the Christmas banners stamp set to get some of the foliage and the banner, of course. And then the candy cane bundle has the dies to cut out the candy canes that you stamp or from the designer series paper, as well as this wonderful, wonderful die that is so much fun. So I started with a garden green base and I cut out a piece of pearlescent paper. So we've got that there. And then I cut out a red glitter one, and then I'm going to fit all the pieces back in so that I have the red stripes. It looks super, super cool, as you can see. So let's do a little bit of gluing. Okay, I've got everything glued down now. So I've got one of the stylish shapes circles, the largest one, and I've cut 2 candy canes out of the designer series paper. I've also cut a whole bunch of these little pieces and I've stamped a couple of them. So now we can put this together. So I'm just going to use dimensionals to pop some things up. I'm gonna stamp the banner in real red. So I'm gonna stamp Merry Christmas. With the Christmas banner set, you have a choice of several greetings. You've got Season's Greetings, Merry Christmas, or you could even interchange those. Okay, now we're ready to piece the rest of the card together and use a little ribbon. So I'm going to use glue dots because it makes it easier. And then I'm going to trim or divide these fur pieces in half. And there is my glimmery, shiny, shimmery candy cane Christmas card. So when you purchase either of the bundles in the suite, you can get this card kit for free. Just email me and let me know that you would like the candy cane card kit after you place your order using my current host code. The Sweetest Christmas Suite. It's one of my favorite suites in the mini catalog, so I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like my video and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live and share more video tutorials. Thanks, and I'll see you next time. Bye.